We will begin our library advisory committee meeting. It is 5:04. Can we have, we'll stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Roll call?
Yes, ma'am. Sandra Cavazos Ayala.
Present.
Virtual. Angelica Salinas.
Present.
Present. Victor Villarreal. Dr. Villarreal, can you hear us?
He's probably still on the bench.
Yeah, so that's Mario Lopez.
Present.
Rocio Villarreal.
Present.
Rosa Maria de Llano.
Present.
Esmeralda Rodriguez.
Present.
Virtual. Delvina Perez. Absent. We have a quorum.
We have a quorum. In your packet, you have your minutes. You take a couple of minutes to review the minutes. Do we have a motion to approve the minutes?
I motion.
I second.
All those in favor? Say aye.
Aye.
Thank you. Do we have any public comments?
No.
There are no public comments. So next on the agenda, we have communication and announcements. The first one is the new requirements for board and committee and commissions.
So you did receive an email. This is coming from City Secretary's office, and there's a copy of the residency and eligibility verification for city board, commission, and committee appointments. This is just confirming that each member has residency in City of Laredo. So I believe you received it through email. You have a copy here. The deadline for submitting this is November 21st. But the sooner, the better that you get it in, so that we can report to City Secretary's office on it. And they're just trying to make sure that everybody who is representing their district actually lives there.
I'll be resending the email again just to make sure you did receive it.
Yeah, I don't believe I received it, so.
I did send it by mail as well, but,
You
I'll
sent it
resend-
already?
Yes, by mail, yes. I'll send it by email.
Yeah, I haven't received either one, so.
You can,
So
you
you
have
need-
the form here, you can fill out.
Oh, you have the hard copy. So we
Yes.
need to submit, sign the hard copy?
Yes, it
Yes, to you?
Yes, not to me, to city secretary.
Oh, okay. We have to take it to them over there okay.
It says,
It says return
to-
the affidavit and documentation to your committee liaison or city secretary's office at the email provided, or delivered in person to City Hall, or mailed to city secretary's office. So there's a lot of different ways you can do that. You can do it through email.
Okay, so we can send it, we can take it to Angie then, she's our liaison.
yes, I can,
Yes, ma'am.
send it.
Okay, all right.
Okay,
And so you would need to sign the affidavit and then supporting documentation, which is one of 3 items: a copy of your voter registration certificate, a screenshot from the Texas Am I Registered portal showing your Laredo address, or the Texas driver's license or utility bill showing the current Laredo address.
okay.
If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us.
Okay. Thanks.
We can get the copies done here?
We can help you with that, yes.
Okay, if there are no other further questions on that one, the next thing on the agenda is the update on the virtual court kiosk project.
I was hoping Judge Villarreal could report on it. Do you mind if we table it just for later on? If he doesn't sign in or show up, then I can go ahead and give you.
Okay, we're gonna table it for now.
Yes.
Letter C are the quarterly program reports.
So these are the ones that have the blue column headings there. And this is a report that was requested by Library Advisory Committee so that you could see on a quarterly basis how many of each specific programs we offer, the number of meetings, and total attendance. So if you can please review that, and I'm here to answer any questions that you may have.
So this is
That's
mobile.
from the library? Oh, I see it at the top of me from us and every single library.
So it's
Okay.
not a new report, Ms. Angie. It's something that we've been submitting for quite some time, but it was a request from this committee.
Oh, okay.
Quarterly,
Quarterly. I think it's because our other stats don't specifically show you the title of each program.
Oh, okay. Yes, because we saw it somewhere else before, right?
no, so it's been in the,
Yeah.
But now you have it's quarterly.
Any questions I can answer for you? I want to thank everyone who participates in our programs. It's lovely to see you in the programs as well.
maybe because it was double-sided?
Any questions? We move on? The month-
Yes, I just, I think we're in the next item. It's okay, I'll ask the question when we go on to the next item.
Okay, next item are the monthly library updates.
Okay, the monthly library update is this document. It's multicolored, and that's going to give you a list of some program spotlights and safety and facilities updates for each library location. It also includes towards the end, the general updates, which goes over the Public Arts Division, the mobile library, and other big projects. Did you want to ask a question already, Ms. Ayala?
Yes, I just wondered, did we get an invite to the Century Room ribbon cutting?
I'm not sure. We didn't handle the ribbon cutting. That was through the Department of Health. So I don't know if they sent that out or not. And I apologize if we overlooked
Because
that.
that would have been nice for us, for us as board members to attend. I saw it after the fact on TV, And I was like, wow, that would have been nice for us to attend, especially that big event. You know, it's a first sensory room ribbon cutting, and it was attended by, you know, a lot of educators, and I thought it would have been very nice for us to attend.
Noted, thank you. I'll keep that in mind.
Thank you. Like in the future, if there's anything else that you all do that, you know, that is that is something that is a big event, that is that should be, you know, that is something that we can attend, it would be nice if we get an invite.
Sure, we appreciate your interest and thank you. We will do so in the future.
Okay, thank you.
But you're right, this is, so 2 sensory room openings this month in October.
Mhm.
They-
Yeah, that's a big milestone.
And they've been getting a lot of use so far.
Yeah, and I think that's a big, like I said, it's something very, it should be something highlighted, which we are putting it here, but it would have been nice to have, you know, more recognition for you all on that.
Of course.
Congratulations for that.
Yes, thank you, and it was really spearheaded by the Public Health Department.
Mhm.
We have now taken it over, but they provided the funding and the creative
Yes,
design and the implementation of it, so now it's our baby, so we're taking
Yeah,
it over.
exactly. It's part of the library.
It's another service we can offer.
Where is it located?
So the one at Joy Guerra is located upstairs near the study rooms, and you can check it out with an adult card, an adult library card, free of cost.
One patron at a time.
It would be up to 10 people, but one group at a time.
One-
Yeah, so they have some privacy in there.
Mhm.
For 30 minutes, if no one else is waiting, they can stay in there. At the Moss Library, it is downstairs in the Family Place area. So if you remember where our large collection is, there's used to be an office area towards the back. That is our Family Place area, and they made one of the rooms a sensory room. We're hoping to get training from the Public Health Department as well, so we know better the needs of people with sensory needs, how to address their request.
Good job. I think that's excellent.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi, Judge, how are you?
I'm good. How is everyone? I just
That's what we thought.
good to see everyone.
We're currently looking over the library branch updates. Does anybody have any thoughts, comments, concerns about anything listed on here?
I was just wondering on the vacant positions, how they reclassify.
Yes, so if you look in the last section, vacant positions, as part of a citywide reorganization, as you know, we have been put under the Department of Health, which is a great, it's kind of the perfect location for us to be because we serve the same vulnerable populations. However, we were just advised that the library director title has been reclassified as an assistant library director. And what this means is essentially our director is the public health director. We have an assistant library director here housed at the Joy Guerra Library. And currently we are recruiting for this position and should have interviews soon.
So no more director.
That doesn't make sense.
Any concerns that you have, I do advise you to talk to your council person.
So will there be an assistant to the assistant or?
You know, I'm gonna have a meeting tomorrow with Dr. Chamberlain, Director of Department of Health. So from what I understand, there's a possibility that it won't be called Assistant Library Director, but there might be something like an Operations Manager or something to that effect.
Yeah, I think I have a trouble with that assistant part when the person is the director of the library.
I appreciate your comment. I do.
Any other questions on the updates? Do you want to go back to the tabled item? Okay. We're going to go back to section B, an update on the virtual court kiosk project.
Folks, we can taste the finish line. It was delivered, it was installed, there's just one power strip missing, I'm told. I'm also told that takes a couple of weeks, I don't know, I don't understand how or why, but it's there. So it took a while, but I think we're so much closer to having it installed. And now I'm thinking that based on that timeline, I think we're gonna have a lot of things to be grateful for during Thanksgiving. I know I am. So
Awesome.
that's the information that I have. And I sent the pictures that were sent over. I had my team go over on the day of the install. So those are the pictures that they took, but it is, I can taste the finished one at this point.
So I did talk to your staff and I was really happy to see them. They also toured the sensory room at the Moss Library and they loved it. We thought maybe someone could reach out and ask maybe if they could simply mail the power supply, the cord, and that would maybe speed things up, because that's literally all we're waiting for. And assistants to the council members are eagerly anticipating setting up our ribbon cutting, which yes, of course, everyone here is invited to.
Okay, I think we've been waiting for this for so long that I think we also need to it shouldn't be like a ribbon cutting only. It's like a ribbon cutting celebration. This is a long time coming. And it's a big deal. It's going to provide access to legal information, legal services to folks that need it. So hopefully we can do the ribbon cutting and celebrate the.
It should be like a marathon ribbon where you run through and break it. But we are excited about it, and of course that's just the beginning of the project, and after that we're going to need to really promote the use of this, and of course working with your court, Judge Villarreal, we're going to make sure that there is use, because right now it's going to be in a pilot. It's going to be a pilot project, which means we need to make sure that the stats line up and support the continued financial support of this. Right now it's free, but that would be only for 1 year.
When is this ribbon cutting taking place?
We don't know. We are waiting until it's officially, completely 100% working. So we're waiting on the power supply on it.
November, December maybe, any projected dates?
So it's going to be dependent on the availability of Judge Villarreal, of course, because this was a project spearheaded by him, but also the council members that are providing some funding for it. So it's really out of the library's hands. Whatever date they recommend, we're going to support that.
Well, you know what? Let me ask you all this, because I mean, it's important that the council persons are here, and I guess that are there, and I guess I would also like to be there. But let me ask you all this: is there any days or times that you all can tell us that we should just block off? In other words, if somebody says, and we're talking about Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, are there any times that we should just exclude right now? That would help me, my office, and the planning. Somebody says, on Tuesdays at 2, every Tuesday at 2 I have a thing, so we should try to avoid that, because I would like close to 100% attendance, and not 100% attendance from our board.
Mm-hmm.
So are there any times that we should just eliminate right now?
I know Rosa Maria and I are not available on Tuesdays, the second Tuesday of the month. But for Laredo Commission, right, Rosa? Is that? Yeah. But other than that, I mean,
It might
you
be,
can try it.
if you don't mind, just an opinion, if it is going to be in November, I would say the week of Thanksgiving, we should just say block of December. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
So the second Tuesdays of the month at what time?
We have our meetings at 5:30.
So from 4, no,
But in the
no,
morning,
late.
we're good. We're good in the morning, yeah.
I think Ms. Ayano's speaking, but her microphone is on.
Yours.
Oh, she's muted. So we can't hear you, Ms. Ayano.
I forgot. Thank
there.
you. I'm sorry. I didn't realize. I was telling Sandra, yes, we have a meeting, but it's at 5:30.
Yes, we just clarified
So
that.
it's really, it doesn't interfere on,
Yeah, that was
Everything
just
fine.
clarified that.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
we're available in the morning too.
Yeah, but I'm retired, you're retired,
Yeah,
But 8 o'clock, no. 8 o'clock,
yeah.
sure.
Not too early, we don't
Only
wanna
for retirees.
go through the.
Sí,
No,
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 traffic.
8 o'clock or traigan mucho café. Bueno,
No. De las 10 en adelante,
Yeah.
for me.
I think those are good suggestions, because if we do 10 a.m., that means there's plenty of time between 8 and 9, or 8 and 10 to set up, to put things
Yeah.
together. So
Mhm.
does any other person have any dates and times that we need to stay away from? I mean, or tell me this, folks, are there any days that anybody here is planning to be out of town, so that we can just try to not do those days? Other than Thanksgiving, we're all gonna be busy, but like a family trip, a medical trip,
I
anything
have
else, anything?
I have a family trip November 6th, which is the weekend, and that week, my daughter's performing flamenco in Austin, and I'm gonna be there
Okay.
till the 17th. But please don't do it because of me, I mean, just because
November
you
6th.
asked.
November 6th to
6th
17th?
to the 16th, I'll be out because of my daughters, but please don't let that, if it's going to be, it's going to be, and I'll be absent. I mean,
If it's unavoidable, but if
Yeah.
we can try to work around that, we will try to work around that, because we want you there. We want as
thank
many
you, I
people
would
there as
love to
possible.
be there, but, yeah, we've worked so hard to come for the kiosk. Yeah,
Yeah.
over a year, but
Also,
Yeah.
November 21st, I have Alexander Career Day on Friday, November 21st, all morning.
Okay,
JB Alexander Career Day, but
okay, that sounds good. Just as a general rule of thumb, Monday through Wednesdays are best for news cycles, and we want to spread the word, so our first blocks are gonna try to be Monday through Wednesdays, preferably in the morning to make the noon. If the TV wants to be there, then we can make the noon,
yeah.
but if not, then, we'll work with what we can get.
Wednesday, the 19th is a good, if you want the middle of the week, it's a good day, the 19th.
Yeah, but we don't know that when the,
We'll coordinate
Pacific
with the
Women
council
Meeting.
person, the library, and
right.
good deal, alright. Any thoughts, comments, questions, other concerns, or anything else?
Judge, I do get busy on every other Monday. So for me, Monday the 3rd and Monday the 17th, I will not be available.
Is this an all day or a specific
Morning.
time?
Morning. It's in the morning
So-
from 9 to 11.
Yeah, we're gonna be out of town also on the 17th.
And, Sandra, you said Wednesday the 19th, but in the morning at 10 a.m., the Mr. Buckley Early College will be inaugurated. I think I've been invited, and it's a very wonderful thing that they're naming it after my good friend Esther Buckley. It's from 10 a.m., I guess, 10 to 11 or 12. So Wednesday the 19th, but in the afternoon, it'd be okay for me.
Well, if I could recommend that, maybe we talk about this through email once we know that the kiosk
Yeah.
is ready. And we can send
Right.
out a doodle poll where you can actually mark when you are available.
Right.
Okay.
That might work a little bit better.
And the other thing, and I don't know if you have access to, my office has some access, but if we can have access to the city's PIO, because like this, and I would love to be there for the unveiling of the Professor Buckley, but perhaps the city PIO has a master list of events, because we don't want to conflict either, right? We don't want people to get torn into directions, but we also don't want to compete with the news media, because they're gonna, that's big news, and we don't want to compete with
With
that.
them not being there, exactly.
Right. All right.
All
We'll
right.
get it then.
Okay, thank you.
Yay!
I also
you.
think that Mr. Ortiz should be invited. Mr.
Oh,
Bob.
good, yes, yes.
Okay.
So Mr. Lopez said Ms. Ortiz should be invited. I completely agree. Yes, thank you for that.
Since we're talking about Mr. Ortiz, may I say something? I don't know if this is an appropriate time or not. Are you done, Judge Villarreal? Are you done?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I don't know, in the past, I know Mr. Ortiz has served as committee chair and a member for many, many years. And he had to, of course, resign because of his new position. I'm wondering, and I'm suggesting that we present him with a plaque or some certificate or something of recognition for the years that he served as a board member. And I know we don't have a meeting in November, but maybe at our December meeting. I don't know how you all feel about that.
I agree.
I agree with you, Sandra, of course.
Yeah, he served, I don't know, many, many years. And I know
You can
he
find
had
out
been the
how
chairman
many years.
Yes, I
also.
can, yeah, confirm
So-
with the secretary.
I think that'd be a very nice gesture, yes, of course.
Okay, well, yeah, a little plaque, or I know we did it for Carmelita Lani some years back. We've done it, for others, and I think it's
Very fitting.
yeah,
I
very
agree
fitting
with
for
you,
them.
yes.
Okay, thank you.
I know
Thank you
we're
for the
gonna-
recommendation.
I know we're gonna miss him a lot. Okay, very good. So we'll move on to recent and upcoming library programs and services.
This is the fun part, so everyone gets to look at the flyers, and I'm here to answer any questions. It's a great season for library programming and outreaches, and we're always pleased to share the amazing creative graphics that Nikki puts together for us.
Or you're all having something for during the Thanksgiving break for
Yes.
the kids. Nice.
Any questions, comments so far?
No, ma'am.
That's gonna be busy.
Yes, we like to stay busy, and just so you know, our big event would be the book sale. I know you saw that flyer in there, so,
Yes.
that's gonna be a fun one.
Any questions? No? Okay, so, next on the agenda are the monthly statistics.
So we have the dashboard, which says September 2025 stats. It's just highlighting some of the major stats there, including the library card signups, renewals, computer sessions, Wi-Fi sessions, prints. It really shows that Laredo community is really in need of these services. We're closing the gap here. And then our checkouts are there, programs as well. 4,813 for total attendance. We're very proud of that. And then we have the monthly statistical report, which as promised shows you the full fiscal year, which runs from October to September. So you will see the total year to date for fiscal year 2024 to 2025, and there's a comparison there with the previous year. Once again, if you have any questions, I'm here to answer them. You will see that our electronic resources have increased. Web page hits have increased. Basically all of our e-collections. Our physical collections have, most of them have shown a slight decrease in them. Adult audio and CDs, which would be the physical format, have dropped tremendously because we have been moving more towards an electronic format through services like Hoopla and Libby.
You'll be adding the sensory room.
We will be adding the sensory, yes.
And I imagine the kiosk too, or no?
Yes, so we need to work out a plan for that to see whether we have direct access to that information or if we need to reach out to Texas Legal Aid for that. Because I know for the career services one, the Texas Workforce one, we don't have direct access, so we do have to request those stats. And I think for us, like for our annual report to the Texas State Library and Archives Commission, we can't count those stats as the library stats. No. But we can certainly report them to you so you know how successful it is.
Good. Any questions on that? Okay. The next item on the agenda is to schedule for the next meeting.
This would be in December, since we are not meeting in November, which November is already this Saturday.
Sure.
Things are moving quickly.
Well, I believe Ms. Ayala and Ms. Dayano had some commitments that they couldn't make certain dates.
Well, we do have, like she mentioned, Dr. Maria and I have meeting on the 10th, which is Wednesday. Well, the first Wednesday, I'm looking at the calendar, is the 3rd. I don't know if if that's a good date.
If I could just mention, and I'm sorry to interrupt, but that evening is Navi Dad Fest for the library staff, and so we need all hands on deck for that huge event.
Okay, so that's not a good date. So the next Wednesday would be the 10th, correct?
Right.
The 10th or the 17th?
And we do have a meeting, but like she said, it is at 5:30 on December the 10th. Oh,
Right.
yes, we do. Oh, I'm sorry, it's on the night. We do, yeah, we have the Larcy, right?
Sandra,
We have Larcy in the morning.
but we have the Laredo Commission for Women
On
on
that night.
Tuesdays.
On the night,
Tuesdays.
right. No, I'm looking at something, it's Larcy. We have
Oh.
Larcy, but in the morning.
I don't know.
How would December
So the
17th work?
The 10th is fine, yeah.
Oh,
The 10th is okay.
Yeah, the 10th is fine.
Yeah.
After our I do have a question. So we won't know of the activities until that date, right? Of any of library activities?
I would recommend going to our social media. Everything is posted there, or our website.
Okay, because on December the 6th, you all are hosting a book festival.
Yes.
And I thought it would be good for the library board to know about that. It's on Saturday, December the 6th, they're at the library. And we're gonna be having lots of authors selling and showcasing their children's books. I know that I will be there, and I've been asked to say a few words as well on behalf about my book. And I don't know, I just wanted to open that invitation to everyone, since you will probably hear about it on the 10th, which would be after the fact.
And what time is it, Sandra?
It's at 9 o'clock, well, at 10 o'clock. It's from 10. Do you have a little bit more information, Ms.?
So we have not completely, our schedule is tentative at the moment because we're still reaching out to authors who applied and getting their answer on whether or not they'd like to do a reading or some sort of session. So I believe it is gonna start at 10 a.m., but we're not sure what time it's going to end. And we are gonna have David Bowles here as a featured author as well from the Valley, from McAllen.
That's on the 6th, is that correct?
Yes.
Yes, it's a Saturday. It's a Saturday. So that's why I wanted to bring that up if our meeting was after that because, you know, or if you can maybe email that flyer to all of us, that would be helpful as well, Angie or Ms. Annalisa. That way, you know, we can get that information beforehand and some members may want to make plans to attend.
Yes, will do, Ms. Ayala.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so then we are set for December the 10th,
Yes.
5 o'clock. And we'll send a little invite.
Menudo, right?
And
Pozole and tamales, sorry. Pozole and tamales.
And that's where you will be inviting
Mr.
Ortiz,
Ortiz,
right?
Oh,
yes.
Okay. Okay,
Hopefully
good.
he'll make it.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, any other further comments or questions? Do I have a motion to adjourn the meeting?
I motion.
A second?
I second the motion.
All those in favor? Aye.
Aye.
Thank you, that concludes our meeting for today.
Thank you, Angie. Good
Thank
job.
you.